In this video, I'm going to show you how to use filters in Pipedrive. In Pipedrive, filters are tools that help you sort, search, and view specific sets of data like deals, contacts, or activities based on certain criteria. So basically, you can see filters anywhere in different aspects of your Pipedrive account. But for this video, we'll be utilizing the filters in contacts. So to do that, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Pipedrive account, on the menu navigation on the left side bar of the screen, we simply go to Contacts. When you click on Contacts, this will then provide you the complete list of contacts, categories, information, and details that are relevant to each specific contacts that we have in here. Now we can have a contact organization and contact people. So let's say we're going to use filter demonstration in organizations in here. Now the filters are located on the upper right corner of the screen. We can filter in here in all names or by owner. So as you can see in here, these drop downs are both filters that you can use. So in all names, for example, we can filter this based on the initials that we have, let's say A, and this will only show the contacts that starts with letter A. Let's try filtering to letter N as well, and this will only show up contacts that are in letter N as well. So let's try filtering in here. In this, let's say favorites, we go to owners, then we can see in here all the contacts that has been owned by the owners or has been created by the owners. We can also add in here, let's say filters by organizations contact within last month. We can also choose other criteria in here such as data cleanup or organizations with open deals and organizations with no contact within the last month. So basically, we have all types of filters that we can do in here to make your searching or sorting of data much easier. And that's about it. That's how to use filters in Pipedrive. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.